Good morning. This is Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we're going to make something my dad used to make when I was a child for us all the time. It's called poor man's bread. I think some of people call it fried bread, but I'm calling it poor man's bread because that's what my daddy called it. And it's so good. It's so simple too. I have an iron skillet here, and I'm gonna put my heat on medium heat. I have a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm just going to coat the bottom, just enough to coat the bottom. Not too much, just enough to coat it. Then I've got some self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose flour for this, but you're going to have to add a little bit of baking soda and probably just a pinch of salt. I prefer the self-rising flour for this. Actually, I prefer self-rising flour, period. But I've got a half a cup here, and I'm going to start out with a cup. You can make as much as you want. It's going to be about the consistency of pancake batter. So I've got a cup of flour. I'm going to do, I'm going to first, got a cup of water here. I'm just going to pour a little in it, about a half a cup at first. Yeah, it needs more water. I'm just going to put the rest in there. So that's a cup of water. I don't measure this, but I'm trying to do it for you all because make a mess. It's just really eyeball consistency. You want to kind of beat it so you get clumps out of it from the flour. Now, I like mine about this consistency. It's about the consistency of thin pancake batter. I don't like mine too thick. I'll eat it like that, but I prefer it thin. So, just the camera there. Alright, so that oil has not heated up yet, so let's give it another minute. Okay, the oil has heated up now. I'm just going to add about a small pancake size batter to the oil here. There, you can already see it's starting to bubble. This is so good. I can't wait to eat it. It's about like a pancake, when you get all the bubbles up in the middle and you see the brown edges around then you flip it. So it's just like cooking a pancake. Sorry, I forgot to grab a plate. Man, I haven't had this since I was a child. It's so good. I'm going to actually put some paper towels on the plate here. Just check the underside. I like mine crispy, so I'm going to give it another minute on the other side. Probably about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Maybe 5, depends on how you like it. You just want a good golden brown. Just like a pancake. You could call it pancake bread, I guess. Alright. Let me flip this. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I literally have not had this since I was a child. Oh, my daddy, he could come up with some of the best recipes. Cook just a little bit longer on that side. until you just want to make sure the middle is done, you know. You don't want to bite into it and be raw. We'll flip it over so you see the back side. See, it's golden brown on the back side too. So that is done. Let me put another paper towel on top. I just want to make sure I get most of the grease out of it. Alright, now we're just going to do another one. This will make probably 3 or 4 poor man's bread, depending on the size that you want it. Now you can make it as big as a pan, but it's hard to flip like that. And I like mine smaller. My daddy always cooked his in the iron skillet. This is an iron skillet, but you don't have to. You can use a regular pan. I just like my iron skillets. And I do apologize for not making as many videos as I probably should. I've been working a lot, and because I work a full-time job, and it's just, we've had a lot of chaos going on. My husband had hip surgeries on both sides, and he's went back to work, but he still is in a lot of pain. So it's just been one thing after another. So just pray for us. Okay, you can see that's kind of, see how it's bubble up in the middle, and the sides, if you can see that, they are getting golden brown. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that. You see, it's just a perfect color. Got that golden brown consistency. Let me drop that on the floor. Let me get another one. Give it just another minute on the other side. Just want to make sure that back side is completely done. Oh yeah. Whew. Can't wait to start and eating these. Is so good. All right, so, and you can see I've not added any more oil to the pan. It's plenty. So I'll add some more. I think I'll get about 4 out of this. Now, this oil here I've used a couple times, but, you know, I just let my oil cool down if I make homemade fries or whatever. Just let my oil cool down and just put it back into the container once it's cooled. It's nothing wrong with it. Now, when that gets darker, I won't use it anymore. But a couple times, it's not going to hurt anything, and it saves on the oil. And I'm a firm believer in getting my money's worth. Especially this day and time. You have to. And I like to cook mine on a medium to slow heat because I don't want them to burn. It's just like I made the reference before. It's just like cooking a pancake. You don't want them to burn, you just want them to be golden brown. Can't wait to dive into those. Oh yeah. And I need just a hair of oil in the bottom, just a little bit. See, this is the first time I've added any oil to this at all. So it doesn't take much oil at all. But it is going to require a little bit because, like I said, it is fried bread. Um, that one's done too. Now let me turn off my stove and my fan. Okay, now they're done. That made 4 poor man bread. I'm just going to cut it because it's still really, really hot. To show you what the inside looks like. Now look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I've got to have some of this. It's been so long. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I hope you try this. If you do, please comment below and let me know how you like it. I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. That just brings back memories. Nothing like a good recipe to bring back a memory of a loved one. But I will put the recipe in the bottom in the description box below. Please like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and you hit the notification bell and it'll let you know when I upload more videos. And I'm going to try to do one a week. So I think I can do one a week now, so it's kind of calmed down a little bit. But God bless you all, and hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.